what we did to this Mustang was a full decontamination wash. We did clay bar treatment, and we only did a polish enhancement. Polish enhancement is not going to get those swirls and scratches out, but it will shine the paint up to where customers happy with it. They just wanted to shine back. They didn't like the dullness that was on the Mustang, so they opt out on our decontamination polish enhancement package. Here's a little walk around on the after. Came out pretty good, and after that we put a ceramic sealant on top, and the Mustang is ready to go and ready for pickup. If you guys are looking for this service, please give us a call at 570-221-4240. Book your appointment today. And we do have other packages that we can speak to you about. Just bring your vehicle in and we can walk over the vehicle and get your car looking right for these summer days that are coming upon us.